And once the game moves past the loading screen and launches normally, the issue is fixed and you're ready to fly again. Getting stuck on the loading language screen in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 is usually caused by server congestion, missing language files, or incorrect system time and region settings. If the problem still happens, try restarting the game completely. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus SK to open Task Manager, locate Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024, end the task, and then relaunch the game. A fresh restart often clears temporary loading glitches. Another important fix is synchronizing your system time and region. Go to Settings, select Time and Language, then Date and Time. Turn on Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically, then click Sync to update your system clock. Also, check that your region is set correctly under the Region section, as incorrect settings can cause loading hangups. You should also make sure the required language pack is installed. Open Settings, go to Time and Language, select Language, click Add a Language, and install English, United States. This ensures the simulator has the correct language files needed to load properly. Before trying anything else, always check the server status. One of the most common reasons for this issue is overloaded servers, especially during new releases or peak hours. If servers are busy, the best solution is to wait for traffic to decrease and then try again later. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained how to fix Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 stuck on loading language using simple and effective steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow sim pilots. Happy flying!